So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you another method of cutting your friard, okay? And this is also a simple method, just that a lot of people run away from it because of the calculations involved, okay? But I'm going to make it very simple for you in this tutorial, trust me. In fact, by the time you're done with this tutorial, you might even prefer this to the other method, okay? Because it's straightforward. I'm going to start with the full circle calculation, all right? Now, for the full circle, it's very simple. It's just circumference equals to 2 pi r. What is pi? Pi is just simply 3.14. It's constant. It doesn't change. All right. It's just 3.14. It is actually, in fraction, it's 22/7. So you don't need to disturb yourself. It's a constant number. So just know that pi is 3.14. Okay. Now, in this case, what we need is the radius. Okay. I'm going to fold my pattern paper. Okay. So that you understand what I'm trying to say. Now, remember we're dealing with a 360-degree circle flare first. This is a full circle. Okay. So now I'm going to fold my pattern paper. You fold this way, right? And then you fold this way. This point, this part that we usually trace out whenever we're cutting our circle is the radius. That's the radius we're looking for. This C is circumference. Now, circumference is your what? Is your waist circumference, or anywhere other place you want to attach your peplum to. If it is your round sleeve, just sleeve. You need a round sleeve to stand as a C. Okay. If it is your hip line, you need your hip circumference. Okay. So since we are looking for R, okay, so C equals to 2 pi r. You divide by what? 2 pi, so that you can cancel this out and free the R, right? This will cancel this one. So R equals to what? 2 over 2, C over 2 pi, right? Isn't that correct? And we already have our C, we have our pi, which is constant. So radius equals to what? 14 all over 2. See, this is what? 2 pi, right? Sorry, 2 pi, as you have it here. So since our pi is what? 3.14, that's 2 times 3.14. Then you calculate your measurement. It's very simple, right? It's very simple and straightforward. So now you have 14 divided by what? 6.28. 14 divided by 6.28 will give you 14. Sorry, request for 14 divided by 6.28 will give you 2.23, approximately 2.23. So what this means is that you're just going to place your tape rule. You're just going to place your tape rule from this angle here, right? And then you mark 2.23. 2.23 round. Then from that point, you take your peplum length, okay? I already explained in the previous tutorial. All right, so now for the half circle, this is the formula for the half circle. C equals to pi r. All right. Now for the half circle, because it's half circle, that is, it's not full circle, you need twice the measurement, okay, to make up for the peplum. So it's either you just multiply this by 2 or you go with this method. So you can choose to just multiply your 2.23 that you got for your full circle, okay, 2.23 by 2, and then you get your calculation, which is 4.46. Once you've folded the pattern paper in the half circle way, then you come to this top part, okay, and you measure your 4.46 round, adjusting your tape rule accordingly. Okay, so but if you still want to stick with the formula, let's go ahead and do that. So our circumference, which is our waist circumference, is what? 14 inches. Then I told you that pi is constant, okay, that is 3.14 times r, right? So we want to free the r, we divide by 3.14. So r will be what? This will cancel this, isn't it? So r will be what? 14 divided by 3.14, which is what? 4.458, approximately 4.6. Can you see the same thing as I showed you here? So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it useful. If you do, please click on the like button, subscribe, all right, join this community, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.